play with that for Valentine's Day. You're such a big boy standing up. I mean, sitting up. Yes, you are. Are you going to eat your Valentine's Day decoration? It keeps poking you. It doesn't taste very good. You're doing a good job. You want to rock? Whee! 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 Don't eat that anymore. Give me that. Are you rocking? Whee! Hey, look up here. Hello? Hello? Where'd it go? Here it is. Where'd it go? Here it is. Where'd it go? Here it is. Can you smile? Where'd you smile? No smile?